third sector organisations in Wales have told us that digital is an organisational priority. However, with limited time and resources, it can be hard to work out what to prioritise in order to make the biggest difference. That's why we developed the Digital Adoption Tool. The Digital Adoption Tool will help you assess where your organisation is on your digital journey and identify the areas you need to develop to keep moving forward. The word digital carries many meanings. It encompasses computers and hardware, social media, security and data, how services are designed, and everything in between. It impacts every part of our lives, is rapidly evolving, and offers the potential to deliver better services that meet people's changing needs and expectations. Because digital impacts so many parts of our work, it can be hard to know where to start or where to go next. The Digital Adoption Tool can help you reflect on how well you're performing in the different areas of digital and where your priorities should be: leadership, skills, digital infrastructure, communications and content, how services are designed, security and data protection. The tool asks you to rate your performance between 1 and 5 in each area. Whether you're just starting out, curious to take the first steps, or leading the way, it's an ongoing and continuous journey. We know from working with hundreds of third sector organisations that the key is to start small, build incrementally, and prioritise developments that align with your mission. For each area of digital, the tool gives you aspirational goals of what good looks like, so that you know what you're aiming for. Digital is not just about websites and social media. Digitally advancing organisations have the right leadership and culture. Their staff and volunteers are supported to learn new skills. Their systems are efficient, safe and secure. They communicate through the channels people use. They use data to analyse and evaluate what works. Ultimately, a digitally advancing organisation understands the needs of the people they support. They use insights to make decisions and continually adapt in response to new technology and people's changing needs. Wherever you are on your digital adoption journey, Newid will help you consider the best next steps for you. Try out the Digital Adoption Tool today and get in touch with Newid for training, support and information.